I am Adi Dassler, the man who built one of the most iconic sports brands in the world, Adidas. Born in 1900 in a small German town, I grew up surrounded by hard work and craftsmanship. My father was a shoemaker, and from a young age, I learned the art of making quality footwear. But I didn't just want to make shoes, I wanted to create something revolutionary for athletes. After returning from World War I, I started making sports shoes in my mother's laundry room in Herzogenaurach, Germany. With limited materials but endless ambition, I handcrafted lightweight, high-performance footwear designed to enhance an athlete's ability. My brother, Rudolf, joined me, and together, we officially founded the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory in 1924. Our breakthrough came at the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin. I convinced American sprinter Jesse Owens to wear my custom-made spiked running shoes. He went on to win 4 gold medals, proving to the world that our shoes could make champions. This moment put our brand on the global stage. However, after World War II, tensions between my brother and me escalated. Our differences became irreconcilable, leading to a dramatic split in 1948. Rudolf went on to create Puma, while I took my vision forward and founded Adidas, combining my nickname, Adi, with the first 3 letters of my last name, Dassler. I focused on innovation, crafting shoes that provided better grip, support, and durability. In 1954, Adidas made history again when the German national football team wore my newly designed screw-in stud boots and won the FIFA World Cup. This victory proved that the right footwear could change the game, solidifying Adidas as a leading sports brand. Over the years, Adidas expanded beyond football, designing shoes for track and field, basketball, and more. I introduced the iconic 3 stripes, both for style and function, providing stability to athletes. My dedication to quality and performance made Adidas the go-to brand for top athletes worldwide. Beyond shoes, I revolutionized sportswear by introducing innovative apparel and accessories. Partnering with major athletes and teams, Adidas became a symbol of excellence, blending performance with style. Even after my passing in 1978, my brand continued to grow, shaping the future of sports and fashion. Today, Adidas sponsors some of the biggest names in sports, from football legends to Olympic champions. The brand has evolved, embracing technology and sustainability, while staying true to my original vision, helping athletes perform at their best. I am Adi Dassler, the shoemaker who transformed sports, the innovator who gave athletes the edge, and the man whose 3 stripes became a global legacy.